atomic theory of matter. It was proposed that matter is made up of very small particles called Parmanu. John Dalton called these particles atoms. Atom means indivisible. In 1808, Dalton gave the postulates of his atomic theory of matter. Postulates of Dalton's atomic theory of matter. All the matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. Atoms cannot be divided. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Atoms are of various kinds. There are many kinds of atoms, as are elements. All the atoms of a given element are identical in every respect, having the same mass, size, and chemical properties. Atoms of different elements differ in mass, size, and chemical properties. Chemical combination between two or more elements consists in the joining together of atoms of these elements to form molecules of compounds. The number and kind of atoms in a given compound is fixed. During chemical combination, atoms of different elements combine in small whole numbers to form compounds. Atoms of same elements can combine in more than one ratio to form more than one compound. Drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory of matter. One of the major drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory of matter is that atoms were thought to be indivisible, which cannot be divided. We now know that atoms can further be divided into smaller particles called electrons, protons, and neutrons. So, atoms are themselves made up of three particles: electrons, protons, and neutrons. Dalton's atomic theory failed to explain many common observations like the different properties of charcoal, graphite, and diamond when all these substances are made up of the same type of atoms called carbon atoms. Dalton's atomic theory says that all the atoms of an element have exactly the same mass. It is, however, now known that atoms of the same element can have slightly different masses, that is, isotopes. Dalton's atomic theory said that atoms of different elements have different masses. It is known that atoms of different elements can have the same mass, that is, isobars.